Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Today I'll be sorting some laundry out, which has been building up, and it's not usually the case, to be fair. My husband's usually on top of it on a daily basis, but I thought I would film this and show you how I tackle it. At the moment in the UK, the weather's not been so great, so we haven't been able to hang anything out, so it's all been tumble dried. So I've got myself a coffee and I'm listening to an Audible as well, and I'm just thinking about all the steps I'm going to get from getting this done, which helps. I hope you enjoy watching this and it gives you the motivation to get some ironing done or anything that you've been putting off. We collect all our clean laundry in the blue IKEA bags. What I'm doing here is sorting the laundry out into piles of clothing items such as socks, underwear, pyjamas, bottoms, anything like that. Anything that needs ironing then goes into a separate pile, which I'll be tackling later. Once everything's in piles, then I will start folding. Kind of do it in a process, so sorting, folding, putting all those bits away, and then ironing, and then putting them bits away as well. I feel like when you do it in a process, you kind of get into the rhythm of it, and then I save a lot more time that way as well. I don't have to put too much thought into it. This is a steam generating iron and I absolutely love it. It just halves our time when we're ironing. You only have to iron on one side of the clothing, and it does it on both sides. It's brilliant for getting creases out. We were actually given this as a present from my sister-in-law, and honestly it is a lifesaver. It's brilliant. I am thinking of doing a review on the iron, so if it's something that you want to see, then please do let me know. Comment down below. as I'm ironing each item of clothing, I'll hang it straight away, and then I'll just place it to the side in order of which room it's going in. And then at the end, I'll pick them all up and then take it in each room, whichever room it needs to go into, and hang them up, and that way it's done. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next time.